I'm going to show you how to fix that hole in your floor. Thanks for watching, and we're going to be going over how to fix a hole in the floor. And this is a quick little easy way to do it. I'm going to be tiling and putting backer board over this, so I don't have to perfectly fill in my holes. But if you're going to be doing like padding and carpet over it, you're going to want to perfectly fill it. There used to be a tub here, and this is a little trick that I learned. You take a 2x4 that's bigger than the hole, and you hold it upwards towards it, and you see I put a screw here and a screw here, and that will suck that right up to the backside of that. And if you want to be safe, put some liquid nails in between there before you do it, or you could just put a ton of screws. I'm only going to use about 2 screws on each side because, like I said, I'm going to put backer board over it. Now, to fill in your area, you are going to just place something that is the exact same level as this. Now, if you're going to be doing carpet or something, you're going to want to cut the square out perfect. Do the same concept, and then measure the distance and put in something that's going to fill in the hole. So that way you're not walking around on carpet and your toes are falling into the hole. So a little quick and easy way to fix a hole in the floor. So you don't have to call a repairman and pay thousands of dollars. You can do this yourself. It's really easy. So I just wanted to show you guys a little quick trick on it. So thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up.